Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp broadcast feature to send messages to multiple people at once. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp and head to the chat screen. You're going to tap on the three dots at the top right on Android or go to chats on iPhone. Now tap new broadcast. This option lets you to send a message to several contacts without starting a group chat. Now select the contacts you want to send your message to. You can pick up to 256 people. Just tap their names and when you're done, hit the check mark. Write a message. Could be a quick update, a promo, or even an invitation and hit send. Your message goes to everyone you've selected, but it's still personal. They don't see who else got the message. And that's it. Now you can send messages to multiple people without creating a group chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more WhatsApp tips. Thank you for watching.